How to fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now. Easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do just uh, just close your browser and then turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again. And if you are using an internet cable, just unconnect it and connect it again. And now click these 3 points and go to history. And now click clear browsing data, and after that select here 7 days and select cookies and browsing data and click clear data, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. Just close your browser and open it again, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.